Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Ultimo isang Indonesian host bumilib sa goal ng SB19 na mag-perform sa Grammy at Coachella. Ito nga, talaga namang ipinahiwatig ng isang Indonesian personality na nag-interview sa SB19 sa bahay nila ay naniniwala at kiniklaim niya na mag-perform talaga ang SB19 sa Coachella at Grammy dahil bilib na bilib siya sa talent ng ating The King of P-Pop. Narito nga ang kwento at short video sa naturang interview with Aroma and SB19.
What's the next dream? You've made it to the pinnacle.
We're gonna be performing. We're actually performing soon in Coachella and Grammys.
Are you serious? Is this happening?
That's the goal. That's the goal.
It will happen. It will happen. If we say it, it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
The power of the tongue.
It's about.
I will own this house.
Dahil sikat na at well-known na ang ating The King of P-Pop sa kanilang powerful voice at dynamic live performance sa Indonesia, Taiwan, Vietnam, Singapore at maraming pang bansa sa Asia at sa Europa na rin. O di ba? Talaga namang manifestation natin 'yan